Can you predict a failure before it happens? Of course you can. Every day, critical machines drive your production, but wear and tear is inevitable. When these machines fail, the real cost is not just money, it's time. And what if you could catch the problem before it even starts? Introducing the Vibration Monitoring System, your key to predictive maintenance. Our sensors keep a close eye on vibrations, temperature, and other metrics while sending real-time data straight to the cloud. The system seamlessly connects with SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, or whatever you're using. Temporary or permanent, wired or wireless, our sensors fit your needs, keeping your machines running strong and non-stop. Monitor from anywhere and anytime. With instant alerts, you can act fast. So unexpected downtime becomes a thing of the past. Visit our website to discover how Seargin can keep your production line moving without interruptions.